Hey everyone, today let's dive into a topic that stirs up a lot of emotions whenever it pops up in the world of YouTube clickbaiting. Is it a clever strategy or just a big no-no? Let's get into it. First off, what exactly is clickbait? It's content with a headline or thumbnail that baits you into clicking it by promising something sensational but often fails to deliver. Now, here's where it gets spicy. On one hand, clickbait seems like a smart move, right? You want views, you want those clicks. And let's face it, we're all in the business of catching attention, but where do we draw the line between catchy and misleading? Imagine this, you click on a video titled, "You won't believe what happens next," expecting something mind-blowing, but it turns out to be just a regular vlog with nothing out of the ordinary. Frustrating, isn't it? It makes you think twice before clicking on similar titles again. However, when used responsibly, clickbait can actually be beneficial. It's all about balance. If your video delivers on its promises and the content is genuinely engaging, it's not really deceitful, it's smart marketing. But here's the clincher: consistent use of deceptive clickbait can damage your credibility as a creator. Your audience starts to trust you less, and over time this can hurt your channel more than those few extra clicks have helped. So what's the verdict? It's a thin line. Clickbait isn't inherently evil, but it shouldn't be your go-to strategy for views. Focus on creating quality content that naturally draws viewers in. Trust me, your audience will respect you more for it, and that's what keeps them coming back for more. Remember, in a world where everyone is fighting for attention, be the creator who stands out for integrity, not just sensationalism. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Catch you in the next video.